doing? Just wanted to congratulate you all on a huge month. For any of you not yet convinced, these were the top dogs of the month. Jim Young, $280,000. Chris Barrett, $205,000. And Greg Weinstein, $190,000. This month's gonna be bigger. It's actually gonna be the biggest month we ever had. I got a new issue I want to talk to you about, okay? It's called MedPatent. They just designed the world's first retractable syringe. That means that nurses and doctors will never again have to worry about infection from dirty needles. This is not going to be an alternative in the medical world. This is going to be the standard. We all know that we're here to make money, but if we can do something good like this, well, it's all the better. So I want you to go out, buy yourselves a new car. Go buy yourself a house. Go into debt. You were going to make $1 million inside of 6 months. Now on to matters of recreation. We're going to be taking a class trip tonight. So call your moms and tell them not to wait up.
Beanie Mac, rap gorilla. I'm out for this thriller. Face it, ain't no replacement for this killer. Keep your hands where I can see them. Don't make me nervous. This 4-4 automatic, you don't deserve this. Your kids either. Don't make me make you a believer. I don't do a lot of talking. I speak with the heater. I run up in your crib, put some in your wig. Your baby cry,